Hello children, today I am going to explain you chapter number 7, multiplication. Children, multiplication is repeated addition. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. And the result of multiplication is called the product. As you can see the example, in example I have multiplied 12 and 2. So 12 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and the answer that came after multiplication is called the product. Now children, I am going to explain you about the 5 properties of multiplication. Children, the properties makes the calculation very easy. For addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, to make the problems easy to calculate is easily we use certain properties. So now you are going to learn about that. Let me explain the very first property, that is order property of multiplication. Children, according to this property, when you will change the order of a number the multiplication or the product will be same. It will not change. Suppose in the example, in first example you can see I have multiplied 36 and 23. Here 36 is the multiplicand and 23 is the multiplier. The product after multiplication I have got 828. Now I have changed the order of the multiplicand and multiplier. Now I have 23 is the multiplicand and 36 is the multiplier. But you can see here the product is not changed. The product is same, that is 828. So this property is called order property. Let us understand the second property, that is grouping property of multiplication. Here you can see that we can use this property when we multiply more than 2 numbers. First of all, for multiplying more than 2 numbers, suppose we are multiplying 3 numbers, we are making the groups. Here I have made the group of 10 and 7. In the given example, I have multiplied 10 and 7 first. That is equal to 70. Then the 70 is multiplied by 5, the leftover number, and we have got the answer 350. Now in the second example, I have changed the group. Now I have multiplied 5 and 7 first. अब आप ब्रैकेट से देख सकते हैं ग्रुप मैंने दिखाया हुआ है. दूसरे एग्जाम्पल में मैंने 5 और 7 को पहले मल्टीप्लाई किया जिससे 35 आया, और अब 35 को मैंने बचे हुए नंबर यानी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जिससे मुझे आंसर मिला 350. तो यू कैन सी इन बोथ द एग्जाम्पल्स दैट आई हैव चेंज द ग्रुप्स ऑफ नंबर but the product is remain same, it is not changed. So this is called grouping property. You can say the product of 3 numbers does not change when the grouping of numbers is changed. The third property is multiplicative property of 1. According to this property, when you will multiply a number by 1, the answer you will get the number itself. So you can say the product of a number by 1 is the number itself. As you can see the example, here I have multiplied 23 into 1. The answer is 23. Again, the second example you can see it is given that 1435 is multiplied by 1, but the answer is remain same, the number itself, that is 1435. The fourth property is multiplicative property of 0. According to this property, when a number is multiplied by 0, you will get answer as 0. अगर हमने किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें आंसर में 0 ही मिलता है. आप एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं, 48 को हमने 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, आंसर में हमें 0 मिला. सिमिलरली मैंने 7654 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर में हमें 0 ही मिलेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 0. Let us understand the last property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition. The distributive property states that multiplying a sum by a number gives the same result as multiplying each addend by the number and then adding the products together. आप एग्जाम्पल में देख सकते हैं 4 into 2 plus 3. इसको आप 2 तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. या तो आप 2 और 3 को ऐड कर लीजिए जिससे आपको 5 मिलेगा, फिर हमने 4 और 5 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जिससे हमें आंसर मिलेगा 20. या फिर 2 और 3 जो कि एडेंट्स हैं आप इनको बारी बारी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जैसे 4 इंटू 2 एंड 4 इंटू 3। 4 इंटू 2 आपको 8 मिलेगा और 4 इंटू 3 आपको 12 मिलेगा। जब आप 8 और 12 को ऐड करेंगे तो भी आंसर आपको 20 ही मिलेगा। चिल्ड्रन, this property will be used as a tool for multiplying large numbers. To make calculation easy, we use certain tricks for multiplication. Like here, I am going to explain you the multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Children, when we multiply whole numbers by 10, 100, 1000, we simply rewrite the numbers and put some extra zeros at the end. Let me explain the rules with the help of some examples. Suppose you have to multiply 47 into 10. In this case, what you will do, you will simply multiply 47 and 1. That is equal to 47. Now, there is 1 0 in 10. So, you can put 1 0 at the end. So, the answer will be 470. Let us understand how can we multiply a whole number by 100. Quickly. Here, to multiply a number by 100, what you can do, you can simply multiply the number by 1 and at the end you will put 2 zeros, as 100 has 2 zeros as at the end. You can see the example. Here I have multiplied 63 and 100. So 63 ones are, that is equal to 63, and there are 2 zeros at the end. So you will put 2 zeros after 63. So the answer will be 6300. Now let's understand how to multiply a number by 1000. To multiply a number by 1000, you can simply write the number and put 3 zeros at the end, as 1000 has 3 zeros. As you can see the example, here I have multiplied 121 by 1000. So 121 into 1, it is equal to 121. Now there are 3 zeros in 1000, so you will put 3 zeros at the end. So answer is equal to 1,21,000. Similarly, you can find the answers very quickly and easily with the help of these properties. So at the end, let us recapitulate. The very first topic we have learned is multiplication. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. After that, we have learned that what is multiplicand, what is multiplier, and what is product. The number that we multiply is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier, and the answer of the multiplication is called the product. Now, at the end, we have learned the properties of multiplication. Children, we use these properties as a tool for multiplying large numbers. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.